Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are doing great. Hope you are working hard and working smartly. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है chemical reactions. What is a chemical reaction? We can define a chemical reaction in many ways. दो important definitions मैं यहाँ पर आपके साथ डिस्कस करूँगा. Chemical reaction is a process in which new substances are formed with new properties. Let us see the definition of chemical reaction. It is a process in which one or more substances called reactants change into new substances called products. Obviously, products have different properties from that of reactants. कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट केमिकल रिएक्शंस, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल्स हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस करेंगे. हाइड्रोजन गैस रिएक्ट्स विद ऑक्सीजन गैस टू फॉर्म वाटर. व्हाट इज हाइड्रोजन? हाइड्रोजन इज अ फ्यूल, you know. What is oxygen? It is supporter of combustion, supporter of burning. And what is water? It is fire extinguisher. हाइड्रोजन एक फ्यूल है जिससे आग जलती है. ऑक्सीजन आग जलाने में मदद देता है और वाटर आग बुझाता है. हाइड्रोजन की प्रॉपर्टी, ऑक्सीजन की प्रॉपर्टी, their properties are totally different from that of water. Hence, this is a chemical reaction. केमिकल रिएक्शन को फील करने के लिए हम रोजमर्रा जिंदगी की कुछ एग्जांपल्स भी देखेंगे. कर्डलिंग ऑफ मिल्क. When curd is formed from milk, what we do? We warm milk, we heat milk in order to kill the harmful bacteria present in milk. Then what we do? We add a small part of curd which contains lactobacillus, which are the bacteria, which are beneficial bacteria present in curd. When we mix a small part of curd with the warm milk, chemical reaction takes place, and we know the properties of curd are totally different from that of milk. Hence, it is a chemical reaction. Ripening of fruit, it is a chemical reaction. Cooking of food, it is a chemical reaction. Let us see some more examples. Calcium oxide. What is calcium oxide? ये क्या होता है? चूना जो होता है. Calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide means lime water. चूने को पानी के साथ मिलाएंगे तो हमारे पास क्या होगा? Lime water. This lime water, this calcium hydroxide, it will react with carbon dioxide which is present in atmosphere. Calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate plus water. One more example. Sodium reacts with chlorine. Sodium reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a salt. It is common salt. It is also known as table salt. One more example. Magnesium ribbon when burnt in air, it reacts with oxygen. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. One more example. Methane. Methane is again a fuel, reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. AgNO3, silver nitrate, reacts with NaCl, sodium chloride. What we get? Sodium nitrate and we get सिल्वर क्लोराइड. केमिस्ट्री को अच्छी तरह समझने के लिए 9th का कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छी तरह समझ लेना चाहिए. जब 9th हम कॉन्सेप्चुअल पढ़ेंगे तो 10th में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. अगर 10th अच्छी तरह पढ़ेंगे तो फिर 11th में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. 9th 10th जो बच्चा अच्छी तरह पढ़ता है उसके लिए 11th की केमिस्ट्री या फिजिक्स या बायोलॉजी या मैथमेटिक्स कोई भी सब्जेक्ट इजी होगा. फिर जब 11th भी अच्छी तरह पढ़ेंगे तो फिर 12th का और इजी लगेगा, और नीट का कॉन्सेप्ट वो भी आपको इजी लगेगा. यू हैव टू फील द सब्जेक्ट लाइक ए साइंटिस्ट, नॉट लाइक ए लेमैन. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने ये वाली डेफिनेशन डिस्कस करी है. If you want to feel the concepts of chemistry along with understanding them, then you must learn and understand this definition also. Chemical reaction is a process in which old bonds break and new bonds are formed. एक केमिस्ट्री स्टूडेंट को, एक साइंटिस्ट को ये वाली डेफिनेशन किल करती है. He likes this definition. It is a process in which old bonds break and new bonds are formed. बेटा जब हम रिएक्टेंट्स को मिलाते हैं, when we mix the reactants, suppose we mix hydrogen gas and oxygen gas in a container. There are millions and billions of hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules. When we mix the two gases and we supply energy, what happens? Kinetic energy of the molecules increases. Kinetic energy of hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules increases. Then what happens next? Collisions take place. When collisions take place, old bonds are broken and new bonds are formed. Let us understand this concept by taking the example of hydrogen gas reacting with oxygen gas and producing water. Since there are millions and billions of hydrogen molecules and oxygen molecules, for sake of simplicity, we will take two hydrogen molecules. As per balanced chemical equation, we have two hydrogen molecules. This is one hydrogen molecule, and we know that a hydrogen molecule contains two hydrogen atoms having a single bond. This is a single bond between two hydrogen atoms. When collisions will take place, what will happen? This bond will break. It is called a bond fission. Bond breaking is called a bond cleavage or bond fission. When this bond breaks, we have two hydrogen atoms. Next, oxygen bonds will also break. When this double bond breaks, we have two oxygen atoms, each containing 6 electrons in its valence shell. Now we know atomic number of hydrogen is 1. It has 1 electron in its valence shell, and it needs one more electron to complete its first shell. Oxygen has 8 electrons, 2 electrons in first shell, 6 in second shell. It needs 2 electrons. Valence of oxygen is 2. This oxygen atom have 6 electrons in its valence shell. It will make new bonds with these two hydrogen atoms. We have oxygen atom having 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This oxygen will now form new bonds. One bond with this hydrogen and one bond with this hydrogen atom. What is this? HOH. HOH means H2O. H2O means water. One water molecule is formed. Now this hydrogen molecule will also break, and we have two hydrogen atoms. Now this oxygen atom will form its new bonds with two hydrogen atoms. This is our oxygen atom having 6 electrons in its valence shell. This oxygen will also form two single bonds with two hydrogen atoms, and second H2O water molecule is formed. In this way, we learned that two hydrogen molecules, two hydrogen molecules combine with one oxygen molecule. This is one oxygen molecule to form two water molecules. Hope you have understood this definition also. Chemical reaction is a process in which old bonds break and new bonds are formed. फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और मैथमेटिक्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स को अच्छी तरह समझने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट भी करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.